Welcome back. If you're new here, this is the Key Stage 2 Succeed in Maths YouTube channel, and today we are doing the Year 3 Fractions End of Unit Assessment. For this video you'll be needing a pen and a piece of paper to work out the questions as we go along. Please pause the video after each question, then press play after you have completed the question to see the working out and solution. When you're ready, let's get started. Question 1. Shade in 1/4 of this rectangle. Now there are 4 sections to this rectangle, which makes this question very easy. It's telling us to shade in one of these 4 sections. So all we need to do is to shade in one of these sections like so, and that's our answer. Question 2. James has 18 apples. Adam eats 1/9 of the apples. How many apples did Adam eat? Well, if the total number of apples is 18 and Adam eats 1/9 of the apples, that means that we need to divide 18 by 9 to get our answer. 18 divided by 9 gives us 2. 2 is 1/9. So how many apples did Adam eat? Adam ate 2 apples. And that's our answer. Question 3. 6/7 plus a fraction equals 1. Now to get 1, we know that both the top and the bottom number need to be the same number. So the bottom number is 7, the top number also needs to be 7 for it to equal 1. Now to get from 6 to 7 we need to add 1. Six sevenths plus 1/7 equals 1. Question 4. There are 15 balls. 1/5 of the balls are tennis balls and the rest are footballs. How many footballs are there? We're going to start off by working out what 1/5 of 15 is, and to do that we're going to do 15 divided by our bottom number of our fraction, which is 5. 15 divided by 5 gives us 3. We have 3 tennis balls, but the question says how many footballs are there? Now to work out how many footballs there are, we're going to get our total number of balls, which is 15, and we're going to take away our tennis balls, which is 3. 15 minus 3 gives us 12. Our answer is 12 footballs. Question 5. A half equals something over 6. Now to find out what our missing number is, we're going to look at what we've times 2 by to get 6. To go from 2 to 6, we've multiplied by 3. And we know the rule that whatever we do to our bottom number, we also do to our top number. So if we've times our bottom number by 3, we're going to do the same to the top. 1 multiplied by 3 gives us 3. So our answer is 3/6. Question 6. Circle the smallest fraction. we've got 2/4, a half, and 2/8. Now to find out which one is the smallest, we need to make the bottom number the same on all three of these fractions. We're going to choose the number 8. We've chosen the number 8 because 8 is a multiple of 2 and it is also a multiple of 4. So we can keep this fraction the same. Now for this one, to make the bottom number 8, we have times 2 by 4. Now whatever we do to our bottom number, we also do to our top number. So if we've multiplied this by 4, we're also going to multiply 1 by 4. 1 times 4 is 4. Moving on to this one. To get from 4 to 8, we've multiplied by 2. We're going to do the same to the top number. 2 times by 2 is 4. We've got 4/8, 4/8 and 2/8. Our smallest fraction is this one because the bottom number is the smallest. So we can circle that, and that's our answer. Question 7. What is 4/7 of 28? Now to work this out, we're going to divide 28 by our bottom number, which is 7. 28 divided by 7, and that gives us 4. Now 4 is 1/7 of 28. To work out what 4/7 is, we're going to multiply 4 by 4. 4 times by itself, 4 times 4 gives us 16. 4/7 of 28 equals 16. Question 8. 1 minus 6/11 equals something over 11. We know that the number 1, written as a fraction, is the same number on the top and the same number on the bottom. So 1 can be written as 2/2, it can be written as 5/5. In this case, we're going to write it as 11/11. 11/11 minus 6/11 equals what over 11? When we're taking away fractions, the bottom number doesn't change. So all that's left now is to minus the top two numbers. 11 minus 6 gives us 5, and our answer here is 5. 5/11. Question 9. Here we have a number line. We've got 0 at one end, 1 at the other end, half is in the middle, and we've got 3/4 down here. And we're trying to figure out what fraction would go inside this box. We can see that the number line is divided into 4. We've got one section here, 2, 3 and 4. So we can figure out that this number inside this box is going to be over 4. A half can also be written as a fraction over 4. 2 times by 2 equals 4. 1 times by 2 equals 2. A half can also be written as 2/4. Now we can see a pattern. To get from 2/4 to 3/4, we've added a quarter. So if we go in the opposite direction, to go from 2/4 to this number here, we need to minus a quarter. 2/4 minus a quarter gives us 1/4. And that's our answer, a quarter. Question 10. Jasmine invites 20 friends to a party. 4/10 of them arrived late. How many people were late to the party? We're going to start off by dividing 20 by 10. 20 divided by 10 gives us 2. 1/10 of her friends is 2. Now to work out 4/10, we need to multiply 2 by 4. 2 times by 4 gives us 8. 8 of her friends were late to the party. And that's our answer, 8. Thank you for watching. I hope you managed to get all of these questions correct. Please follow my Instagram at keystage2_succeedinmaths for updates on new videos. I hope to see you again. Bye for now.